So hi, this is Tyler from Reviews of Cool Stuff with my lovely assistant. Today we're gonna do just a quick unboxing of I don't know how you pronounce this, Kmise or Kmise or something like that. We're gonna unbox it. It's a ukulele, and I don't normally unbox a ukulele because all you do is you take it out of the box and it's a ukulele. But this is a starter kit, so it's got a few different components, so we wanted to walk you through it, alright? So we'll start by just opening the box. And inside you'll see it comes with a package of like starter stuff. And then it comes with the uke itself. So if you want to unzip the uke. This is a smaller ukulele. I think it's 21 inches, but it's not a full size, so it's great for these size of people. In fact, she already has one that's very similar to this. Alright, so right out of this we've got the ukulele. Let's go ahead and open up what we've got in the rest while you're getting that out. You'll see that the craftsmanship on this uke is really nice. It's a pretty uke. It is small. It comes with your nylon strings already on, and I actually already tuned it, so it should be close. It's got these nice little, I don't know what you call it, decorative tuners, so that's kind of nice. So it's just a nice quality for being a smaller ukulele. It's pretty high quality. Alright, so now in the box comes with a strap, which is nice, and then this is cool, it comes with its own tuner. So you're getting started with the tuner, if you want to pull that out for me, and it comes with an instruction manual for that, and this will clip right onto your uke, so you can hold down the button and we can tune it. Actually, do you want to tune it for me? Right again. Did it have a green thing with the box?
Yeah.
Well, now your finger's on, so you're still focusing it. You have to keep your finger off now, so that it just stays.
Okay.
Okay? Alright, so out of this little box for this clip-on tuner from Joyo, so this comes included with the uke, which is pretty sweet. If you want to use it, you can just click on the button and it will cycle through the different notes. So we want to start with our C. We'll just clip that on top. See that we're a little low here, so we need to tune it up. Alright, so it took me a minute, but I got it tuned. And it has a pretty good sound. I don't think it has quite the richness that I've seen on the really high-end ukuleles, but it definitely sounds better than like the cheap. There's definitely a difference between like a $15 to $25 ukulele and a $50 ukulele. So this is more in the $50 range. Of course, it actually doesn't cost that much. I think this whole starter kit was under $40, which is insane, because if you consider like $5 for the tuner, $3 or $4 for the strap, it comes with a starter guide that has, you know, your chords and some instructions, and you know, and then it comes with the soft case. Just the extras, you're going to pay anywhere from $10 to $15 for, and then the ukulele is a good $30, $40 ukulele minimum, and so this should be, the price point on this should really be over $50. So it's a good deal on Amazon right now because it's less than that, and I'll put a link in the description, but let's listen to it. So if you play the ukulele, you know that most songs, at least pop songs, are all the same 4 chords. So we can just play our F chord. I think that's I actually have no idea what these chords are. I think that's a G, a D maybe, A minor, and a F. So it's probably not a G and A, it's probably C, I don't know. C, G, F, and A minor, maybe those are the 4 chords. So you see as I play it, it's kind of tight for me because it is so small. It's not hard, the fretboard's about the same as a full size, and so the fingering feels natural, but it is a little bit of a shorter neck. So this is a really good starter ukulele or a child's ukulele. I'm giving it to my other daughter for Christmas this year. But just a beautiful ukulele. It's a great starter kit. If you're thinking of getting into playing the uke, this is a really great way to go. So I hope you enjoy it. Go ahead and follow the link in the description below. All right, cheers.